Alrighty, just got back from AutoZone about 20 minutes ago or so, and got the battery put in, the new one. Actually, not a new one, it's just recharged. Charged it up to 100%, put all that stuff back on there, and fingers crossed to see if this should do it. Alright, so kind of excited here. Been working on this for the last 4 months now. See if it pays off. Warming up. Let's see. Well, that doesn't sound good. Let's see what's going on. I don't know. I'm kind of stumped at the moment there. Any suggestions? Be greatly appreciated there. Thanks.